Hey guys, welcome to another ServerMiner plugin tutorial. I'm your host LTJim007 and today we're looking at the Better Crafts plugin. This is a really fantastic plugin which allows you to have custom recipes and a really cool way to craft things. So if we do /bc help, that is the first command that will show us all of the help commands. And first of all, if we do /recipes, this will bring up a GUI and list everything we've created. All that I've made at the moment is a diamond sword with sharpness and it says we have permission to view it. Up at the top it shows the item. Then it shows the trigger item that we need to use in order to create it, and then if we click the crafting bench it shows the other items in the recipe. So let's go ahead and show you how to craft this. So what we need is the trigger item to right click the altar with, and then the recipe item. So go ahead and hit Q and throw these on top of the altar, and then shift right click with the trigger item. You will see a bolt of lightning, that's the effect I chose, and then it will throw out the item that is in the recipe, so a sharpness 5 diamond sword. So you can see it's a really cool plugin, it's pretty simple, but we are going to show you how to create a recipe. So imagine we want to create golden horse armor, and I've got a few random items here. So what we need to do is /bc add recipe, hit enter, it will bring up a GUI. So the paper in the top left is the item ID, just put a random ID, I just got from 1, so this is the second recipe I've created. Then you can change the animation, so I chose lightning bolt initially, but let's choose fireball for example. Then the trigger item, what item is going to be the right clicking item, and it's going to be a lead, so let's put that in there. Then we can go down to the redstone block, do we want permissions on or off, so if you want no permissions just set it to red. And then the result item, so this is the final product, and we are going to put the golden horse armor in there. And then the ingredients, make sure you don't duplicate items because that'll mess things up. Go ahead and pop everything in there and click save ingredients, save recipe, and then we need to reload it by doing /bc reload. Once we've done that, we can actually get all of the items we need, so the trigger item and the golden chest plate and block. Go ahead and throw the chest plate, hopefully throw it on top of it, there we go, and the block on top as well. Shift right click with the lead, there is a really cool fireball, I really like this animation a bit more than the other one, and then it's going to dissipate, there'll be a small explosion, and on top you can see our brand new golden horse armor, and there we can pick it up. So that is what you can do with this plugin, really cool. So the final command is the bc give item command, so if you don't want to craft something, you just want to get the item by a command, you can do that. So just put the ID of the recipe and then you can get all the items like this. Very straightforward, it's a really fantastic plugin, pretty simple but has some cool effects, cool features, and I really like it. So here we are in the SMPitnik control panel, and as you can see there are 3 YML files. So the config is actually empty. The altercrafts.yml is going to contain all of the recipes that we've created, and then the lang is obviously the language file with all the messages in that we can see. And here we are on the spigot page, you can see it's updated from 1.8 to 1.16. You can see there's a ton of information, it shows all of the animations here, which is really awesome, so you can choose whichever one is your favorite. There's documentation, commands and permissions down here. And if you have any issues, you can contact the developer on Spigot. And if you need a server to host it on, check out ServerMiner.com for the best and cheapest hosting around. But that's it for me. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.